Hello, how are you all guys? Today I'm going to share EFS and QCN files. As you may have read in the title of the video, these files are used to repair the security partition of the phone. Many times we flash the phone wrongly, or after repairing the serial numbers, network problems often occur, or the IMEI of the phone has been corrupted. These files can solve the phone's no service problem. These files can be used to repair the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth of the phone. So the solution of all these problems is present in these files. We provide such valuable information daily on the channel, and always provide generated files for free. Our goal is to make things easier for our subscribers. Hope you will also subscribe to the channel, and will also like the video. My request is to remember this brother of yours in prayers.